Okay, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Ishika.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, I have just given my national eligibility cum entrance test right now, and I'm waiting
What's
for.
that?
It's NEET exam. It's
Okay, NEET
medical
exam.
entrance exam.
Okay.
And I want to get admission in bachelor's of medicine and bachelor's of it's like surgery.
Hey, hi. I know that you guys totally love our videos, but the problem is you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet. So, do consider subscribing our YouTube channel as we upload the content that is going to help you in near future.
Its short form is MBBS.
Okay, why do you want to become a doctor?
Sir, because it's my dream from the childhood. I just
You don't have any social cause or
no,
any,
I
okay.
have, because sir, whenever I go to hospital, I have seen many of them were suffering from so kinds of diseases. Like, but the doctors are present over there. They are not treating them very well.
But the medical facilities are getting better.
Sir, they are being better. I know. I accept that.
Like in government hospitals also, like
But
if
sir,
you go now.
Sir, but many of them have came from the village and they don't have well knowledge about that.
In village?
Yes,
Okay.
they came from the village to get
Okay.
a better treatment from the hospital, and the doctors present over there were not treating them well.
So what do you think the main cause of like lack of sincerity or lack of facilities? What is the main
Sir,
cause?
it's not the lack of facility. The government is providing a very well facility to
Doctors?
To doctors. But the main problem is their behavior, their sincerity, because they believe like it's not the job, or it's not the thing. They are treating them like
Okay, how many siblings do you have in your house?
I have one only. It's
One.
my brother. It's my
your
younger brother.
He's your younger brother.
Yes.
What he's doing in life?
Sir, he has just given his 12th exam, and he's.
How old are you?
Sir, I'm 20 years old.
How old is he?
Sir, he's 19.
He's 19. Okay, one day, like, he took you to meet a girl,
Okay.
and she's intercaste.
Okay.
Intercaste or interreligion, whatever you say,
Yes,
but
sir.
she's not from your particular area,
Okay, sir.
not area of religion. So, like, what is your take? What will be your take that you are going to take with your brother? Like, you are going to convince him to drop her, or you are going to support him?
Sir, first of all, I'm not going to tell him to drop that girl, because for me, the love is a commitment. And it's a commitment. When you commit someone, you have to take the responsibility of that person, because you committed that person, that you love her, and you.
But what if your family like disagrees with your
Sir,
point?
but, sir,
like
the first-
speaking good things is
Exact-
easy. Like I say I want to climb the mountain, Mount Everest, but
Yes, sir.
if I'll go, I'll know the reality.
The-
Speaking and getting claps is like easy. कि हम अच्छा
Exactly,
बोल रहे हैं.
हाँ.
But are you
In
going
reality-
to convince your parents? Because this society is the thing that matters a lot in India. Like
Yes, sir.
my point of view is I don't want to give pressure on my brother. I don't want to give pressure on my mother. But it is a societal pressure that pressures me to pressure them.
Sir, for me, as you said, like nowadays, it's everybody think about the society first, then ourselves. Like my father, he's a very strict person, and he doesn't believe in love and all. He believes in his beliefs. So the first of all thing I have seen in that girl, that she respects. If she respects my family, then I'll surely convince my family, because for me, my family is. For everyone, their family is first priority, and for me, if she respects my religion and my parents, and she.
But she's saying that your brother needs to change his religion, and your brother agrees.
Okay. My brother is agree.
Yeah, he's agreeing. कि I'll change my religion. But your father is saying how he can become Christian or Muslim or Sikh. You
Okay.
cannot become.
So in that case, I have first of all I will see that the girl is capable for him or not.
She is more than capable. She has convinced him to convert.
Sir, it's not about convincing, because everybody know we are very good in manipulating peoples. It's very easy to manipulate someone, but if we love that person,
Especially boys.
exactly, if we love that person, it is very easy to manipulate someone. It's not about convincing. It's about, I will see that.
Okay, what do you think that who sacrifices the most in relationship, like girls or boys?
Sir, they both.
Okay, why?
Because sir, for boys it is like they are giving they have a huge responsibility for their future also. We have to see
But if we talk about sacrifices, don't you think a girl sacrifices
sir,
her
she
career
is sir.
for babies? She just
She
left her job and like
It's sir, I said na, it's not easy to being a girl in this country because everybody wants to you let down. Like you have because everybody wants like everybody wants to what that
pull you down.
to pull you down, and they wants that you have to do that work what they said only. Because it's I said it's India, and it's not about the equality. Everybody thinks.
Are you were you in any relationship in past, or are you?
I am.
You are in, or like?
I am.
Okay, what is the relationship advice you want to give to your friends who are not?
Who are not
Who are not? Who are they? No.
okay.
Who are not?
If you're going to choose a person, first of all you have to see if she or he is serious for his future or not, because
But there is a guy who has given an interview. He said he was serious because of his for his career, and her girl left.
so it's a loss of that girl, na?
Why?
Because he is making future for both of them, na? He's not making future for his only.
But girls want time. A girl want time.
Exactly, everybody wants some time, but she have to understand that he is making his future. It's not easy.
But don't you think the guys like give the lessest of the time to a girl?
No sir, because I think ki,
As I have said, if the work that a guy says, if that is actual, the world
so
will go to the
sometimes-
moon.
So sometimes they act. So sometimes they have lots of work and they are very busy in their schedule. But we are giving time in that relation, and we are investing our time and love, everything we are investing.
Okay, 5 advice you want to give first
For what, sir?
to the people who are not in a relationship.
Okay. First, the person you are seeing, just don't impress by his looks. Impress by his behavior.
Okay, like whose personality in the class impresses you the most?
Deep.
Deep.
No, I think what was that? Yes, sir. Anirudh.
And why?
Sir, because he sees very serious. From the
लाल हो
first
गया था
time-
बेचारा.
sorry. So I was confused.
Why?
So because from the first I have seen him, like he's
Why his personality like impresses you the most?
because sir, the way he plays very well, like he has the ability to convince you all. He has the ability.
Who do you think like has a very solid personality among the class? Solid.
Abhigyan.
Abhigyan has a solid personality. Okay. Which girl do you think is the most like sweetest person or the most innocent in the class?
Innocent, sir.
Except you.
It's
Huh,
of course
huh.
it's not me.
With your just 3 or 4 days experience.
Mansi.
Mansi is the sweetest girl in the
Yes,
class.
she is the
Okay.
sweetest.
Okay. Clap for her.